Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a birthday cake for my boss at work. It's going to be a black and white with a little bit of gold. Let's get started.
This is red velvet cake and cream cheese frosting. I stack and frost the cake. Then I clean up the cake board and chill it before frosting it again with more cream cheese frosting. The only design request my boss made was that it not be too childish. I can handle that. I added black food coloring to some cream cheese frosting, and it worked right away. Then I got out a small round piping tip and a medium star tip. I placed them both in piping bags with the black cream cheese frosting. I also got out this stylized word press with the words best wishes. I wanted to do happy birthday, but I could only find happy, so I settled for best wishes. I pressed the word press into the frosting. I could just barely see it, but I followed the marks with a small round piping tip and black frosting. Then I piped a shell border around the bottom of the cake. As well as a few small swirls around the top of the cake. I kept them low because cream cheese frosting is quite soft and it can't support a tall swirl. Then I used a few flourishes to press a design into the side of the cake. I followed the lines with the black frosting. If you're good at freehanding designs, you don't need a flourish to press into the side, but this helped me. I also added a few dots of buttercream in the curls and added a few extra curls where I felt they were missing. Next, I took some gold and white sanding sugar. I sprinkled some white sanding sugar on the swirls, as well as the shell border around the bottom. Then I sprinkled some gold sanding sugar between the swirls and on the shell border. Finally, I used a dry paintbrush to get rid of the excess sanding sugar on the cake board. I love this design. It's very adult and was perfect for my boss's birthday. I volunteered to bring this, by the way. She did not make me bring it. There should be some advantages to working with a cake decorator. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake video every week. Hit the notification bell and you will be the first to know when we've uploaded a new video.